Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Google Meet. After that, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You can click uninstall your app, and you can wait 3 seconds to install again this app as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.